Okay, so a website is one thing, but a web app, that's a whole different level. A web app is something people actually log into and use. Think a booking system, a project tracker, a little CRM for your clients, a members area, a dashboard, stuff that stores data, remembers users, and actually does things. And normally, building something like that means hiring a developer, waiting weeks, and spending a small fortune. So today, I'm going to show you how to build a real working web app with AI with zero code using Runable. And I mean a genuine app with logins and a database, not just a pretty page. Let me show you how. And quick heads up before we start, there's a link waiting for you right down in the description. If you use it to create your Runable account, you're directly supporting the channel and helping me keep these tutorials coming, so I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and get yours set up so you can follow along step by step while we go. Alright, first thing, head over to runable.com and sign in. On the home dashboard, you'll see the artifact picker. Select website, because in Runable, a full web app is built through that same builder. The difference isn't the button you click, it's what you ask for. A basic site just shows information. An app lets people do things, so the secret is all in how you describe it. And this is the most important part, so listen closely. You describe your app by focusing on what users can actually do inside it. Don't just describe how it looks, describe how it works. So instead of build me a website, you'd say something like, build a project management app where users can sign up and log in, create projects, add tasks to each project, and mark them as complete. Include a dashboard that shows all their active projects and a simple Kanban board to drag tasks between to do, in progress, and done. See how that's all about actions? Sign up, create, add, complete. That's what turns a page into an app. Now here's a move I really recommend for something this involved. Before you send your first message, turn on plan mode. Instead of just diving in, the agent will stop, think it through, ask you a bunch of smart questions about how you want things to work, and write out a full plan before it builds a single thing. For an app with real functionality, this is huge because it means it builds the right thing the first time instead of you redoing it later. Once you send it off, the agent asks you those key questions. Do you need user accounts? Do you need payments? What data are you storing? And then it gets to work. And on the side panel, you watch your app come to life in a live preview. But here's the part that's genuinely impressive. While it's building the screens you can see, it's also quietly setting up everything you can't see. It provisions a real database to store all your users and their data. It wires up authentication so people can actually sign up and log in securely. It sets up file storage for uploads and images. It can connect Stripe so you can charge for subscriptions or one-time payments. And it can even send emails like welcome messages and receipts. You are getting a full working backend and you never touched a line of code or configured any of it. And of course, it's never perfect on the first shot, and that's fine because you just keep talking to it. You can say, add a search bar to the dashboard, or let users upload a profile picture, or add a settings page where they can change their password. The agent updates the code and the preview refreshes right in front of you. You're basically building software just by having a conversation. When you're happy with it, you take it live, click publish up in the header, pick a clean web address, choose whether it's public or private, and hit publish. Runable builds it, deploys it across a fast global network, and in a couple of minutes, your app is live on the internet with a real link. Real people can now go there, create accounts, and start using the thing you just built. And after it's live, you get a full dashboard to manage your analytics, connect a custom domain, handle your payments, and manage your keys. If you ever want to take the code elsewhere, you can download the whole thing as a zip or push it straight to GitHub. So just step back and think about what happened. You described an app in plain English, refined it through a chat, and shipped a real working full stack web application with users, a database, and payments without writing any code at all. That's the kind of thing that used to take a team and a budget, and you just did it in an afternoon. And that's it. That's how you build a web app with AI, no code, using Runable. If this showed you something you didn't know was possible, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.